Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I am using for this weekly tarot session Rider-Waite tarot cards, Atlantis card, and I am using crystals. Crystals also give very good messages. You need to know how to interpret it. As far as the law of attraction goes this week, I think you have practiced one thing. The first one I have told that you have to be optimistic to attract the law of attraction. Second thing, you have to think what you actually need. Third thing, you have to clear the space. That also I have told you. Now the actual, we will go into the law of attraction manifestation process. In this law of attraction manifestation process, you have to think that what you have got, need that you have already got. Yes, this is so simple that if you want to manifest money, then you should think that you have already got the money. And see, it's so simple. One of your friend or someone you trust most has promised you to give some money for some of your expenses, and you trust him that he is a person or she is a person if she gives a word, and it is. So in that case, when you have a financial crunch or something, that person promises you that I am giving you this money, so be without fear, that take care of all other works, I am there to support you. In that case, how much trust you put on that person, and you think that I was waiting for the money and I have got it. The only thing is, he said he will today get the money for me. So in that circumstances, how much trust you put? In the similar way, when you can trust a human being, why can't you trust the universe? It is given in the scriptures. You ask, it will be given. You knock, it will be opened. The similar way, the universe is ready to give you. It's up to you to take up it. Just have to believe it, that I am going to ask with full intention and I am going to get it. So with that confidence, whatever you want to manifest, just first you think that you have already got it and you will get it. This process of mind changing, of processing your mind, or little homework you do. So this week you do this. By next week I will tell you actually what you need to actually put on the words, how you put the words and how you manifest it. So let's quickly go into the session. So first I would like to tell you that I am a tarot reader, numerologist, Reiki master, healer and life coach. You can approach me for any personal problems of yours. I am also a golden Reiki healer. Golden healing is a highest range of healing which is new to people, but it is the zenith of healing. And also I am a member of 144 Golden Grid Conscious member. So golden healing becomes the highest range of healing, which helps to overcome with intentional healing. So rather than any symbols or any type of healing, I do intentional healing for quick remedies and all. So you can anytime contact me. So we will go into the session. Let's check the energies for Scorpions this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. The link is given in the description box. Daily we post the card of the day. For health, you have got 6 of Cups. Wealth, you have got wealth, career and business, you have got 8 of Swords. And in relationship, you have got 7 of Wands. I am not happy with your cards. Hematite is the crystal for you. In Atlantis card, you have got Black Mag. In health context, when you have got Six of Cups, it says that some health issues which was bothering you long time, which was cured, may come back, or alternatively some stress because of your business or career or relationship which is putting a toll over you, can bring unwanted health problems in your life. You are thinking overly, mental worries is causing lot of problem, or alternatively you are thinking about some person who because of some reason you have separated, or you have some differences with them, that is causing you lot of stress. You are not happy. That stress you have to overcome to keep yourself physically fit. That's what this card says. Only 20% positivity is in your hands to keep you, make you de-stressed and keep you healthy. So try, guys. Eight of Swords in wealth context and career context says that you feel you are tied up, lot of expenditure, money going here and there. You are not getting proper funds for all your works, or alternatively you feel that you have everything but you are not able to enjoy anything. Someone around you are creating such a problem in your business or in your career or in your financial aspect. Someone around you is putting a eagle hand on you that you don't spend a paisa on you, or you are not able to spend even a little thing for your own self. You are either, or alternatively you are not in a position to spend money for yourself. You are not earning, so something related to your finance, you are feeling helpless. This is for general people, and if you are in business, it says that you need some finance urgently for some thing and you are not getting, you are feeling tied up. That's what this card says. So be bold and face the world. You need the inner strength to fight it. That's what this card says. Only 20% positivity. And relationship, Seven of Wands says lot of opposition from your relationship. Your people are demanding a lot, or your relationship is demanding a lot, so you are stressed out and you are irritated, and there are lots of quarrels and fights going on. Need to be calm and focus on only what you need, and leave all the negative things that is good for your relationship, or otherwise some disastrous things can happen. So be calm, guys. That's what I suggest for Scorpions this week. Only 10% positive. And in Atlantis card, Black Mag is this Black Magi is such a card that it says some situation. This card indicates the end of a cycle in this plane of duality. Situation and relationship inevitably end, making room for different experience. It is time to watch your ego and pure yourself, so that new can be better than the old. That's what it says, that there is some functional shift is going to happen in your relationship, in your emotions. Some old things which were bothering you from long time is going to come with a forcible end, and a new change is going to come which will be for your highest end. So be prepared mentally for it, guys. For Scorpions, from many days it's coming, so somewhere something is going wrong, so be prepared, guys. That's what I can say. And hematite is a crystal which suggests that when I see all these things, I can tell you that Scorpions, I suggest you to use hematite, so that this period of uncertainty, when it is there, you need hematite to keep with you, to help you to overcome all negativity. You can use it, you can keep it in your pocket, or you can make a bracelet and wear, or you can make a pendant and wear around your neck. That's what I suggest. It will help you to overcome uncertainties. You can keep it in your purse, wallet also, that also you can do. So this is my humble guidance to you that this crystal you can get it anywhere from any place, any online store you can get, or you can contact me as well, so that it can help you in this period to overcome all uncertainties. That's what I think. So be bold, guys.